singing, whoa, beaching. We got 2 for 1s, we're at a margarita bar. Whatever happens, happens. And there's a reggae band full of dreadheads just sitting in the corner.